Is it time to upgrade your roof? As a homeowner in Colorado, you know how crucial it is to have a sturdy roof that can withstand the elements of this beautiful but sometimes unpredictable state. In this video, we'll discuss 5 considerations to help you determine if it's time for a roof upgrade. First off, take a good look at your current roof. Are there any visible signs of wear and tear? Leaks, missing shingles, or sagging areas are all red flags that indicate your roof may be due for an upgrade. Next up, consider the age of your roof. Most asphalt roofs wear out faster than their expected life in the harsh Colorado weather conditions. If your roof is nearly 10 years old or older, it's wise to start thinking about a replacement. Another crucial factor to consider is the weather storms in Colorado. With its notorious hailstorms and heavy snowfalls, your roof takes a beating year-round. Investing in high-quality roofing materials that are specifically designed to withstand Colorado's climate can save you from costly home repairs down the line. Moreover, think about the energy efficiency of your current roof. Upgrading to energy-efficient roofing materials like stone-coated steel metal not only helps reduce your carbon footprint, but can also lower your utility bills by keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Last but not least, don't forget about the aesthetic appeal. A new roof not only enhances the curb appeal of your home, but also increases its resale value. So if you're considering putting your house on the market in the future, a roof upgrade might be a smart investment. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 key considerations to help you decide if it's time to upgrade your roof. Remember, your roof is your first line of defense against Colorado's unpredictable weather, so it's essential to keep your investment and home in top shape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on roof replacements and upgrades. Until next time, stay safe and metal up.